how to add music in Capcut on your laptop or computer. So in this video, I'll be showing you a couple of different ways that you can go and add music to Capcut. Now, the first thing we're going to do is just create a new project, and I'm just going to add my video footage to the timeline like this. Now, if you want to go and add some music over the top of this video, the first method to do this is you can click on audio in the top navigation. You can then click on music from the left hand side, and you'll see a bunch of different tracks that we can go and use for our music. Now, if you want to use one of these, you can simply drag it over to the timeline like this. Now, once this sound has been placed on a new audio track, you can go and select the audio, and in the top right hand side, we have the volume controls. So you can go and increase or decrease the volume. You can also add a fade in and a fade out effect. If you want to resize your music and make it either shorter or longer, you can just go and drag the edges either to the left or to the right, and you can go and cut out parts of the audio. Now, if you want to go and import your own music into Capcut, then what you'll need to do is open up an internet browser, and you'll need to head over to a royalty-free website such as Pixabay. So this is the website that I'm using, pixabay.com, and this will allow us to download copyright-free music. So I'm going to click on the music tab in the top navigation, and then you can just go and download the music track that you want to use. Once it's downloaded, it should appear in your downloads folder. You can then come back over to Capcut and click on media from the top left hand side. You can then click on the import button, and you can go and add the music that you want to add to your video. Once you have your audio in the media pool, you can just go and drag it onto the timeline like so. And of course, just like before, we can go and make changes and edits to the audio track. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.